Hello and namaste all my busy people and people who are quarantined at home and feeling that tension in their back, in their complete body, gaining weight and whatnot. So many people who keep working on laptop and keep sitting in some or the other wrong posture must watch this video because I will be introducing chair yoga for everyone. So sit on the chair and use the chair for a beautiful stretch and opening up of the joints. So let's get started. I am Ajita and this video is from Inspirit Yoga. Alright, so all my lovely busy people with tensed body, tight body, please sit comfortably on a chair, and if you are just relaxing with your back on the chair, then please sit straight with your spine straight nicely. You will practice some stretches. So here we go. Let's just stretch our neck left and right side to open up our joints. So try to look at the wall behind you. Lift your chin up and down. If you have a cervical pain, then avoid forward bending of the neck and continue up and down. And last time, up and down. Now sideways bending of the neck. Try to bring your ears closer to the shoulders. And now let's practice the mobility of shoulders here, because mostly we are little bit occupied and stressed out and it affects our upper body firstly. So we'll open the shoulders, all 5 fingers together over your shoulders and elbows together in front of the chest. We'll form big circles from both the elbows here. So in clockwise direction, we'll form big circles as if you are drawing big circles from your elbows. 3 times clockwise movement of your elbows and 3 times anti-clockwise movement. So in front of the chest, we will start with 3 reverse big circles here. And one last time, inhale and exhale. Lovely. So and now let's stretch arms and shoulders up. So breathe in, lift both the arms up along with the ears and slowly bring both the hands on your upper back. So right now, as you can see, my hands are placed on the upper back here. Try to touch your ears with your arms. Push your chest out slightly and relax your neck. Look forward, don't try to bend down your neck. So you right now, as you're stretching the upper body, make sure that your neck is relaxed and straight and release. We'll practice this one more time. Deep breathe in from the nostrils, and as you breathe out, bend your elbows, place your hands on the upper back, chest out slightly, neck straight and relaxed. Give me a nice smile. Trust this video and trust yourself. And release. Let's practice more stretching of our arms. So the right hand will go towards the left side of the body, and with your left hand you will press this right arm in towards your chest. Feel that deeper stretch in your scapula, in your upper back, and release. We'll practice the same from alternate side. So your left hand will go towards the right side, and with your right hand you will press that arm in towards your chest nicely. Make sure that there is no hunch while practicing this. You have to keep your neck straight, chest out slightly, and then practice the stretches. Release. And now we will practice more stretches of neck and shoulders. So the right hand will go up. As you breathe in, place that right hand again on the upper back. The left hand will go towards the right hand at your back, and try to grab the right hand with your left hand, just like this. And if you can't, and if there is a gap in between your hands at your upper back, then it's absolutely okay. Whatever is your flexibility, just accept your limitations and then practice these stretches. It will definitely open up your body and release you from the tightness caused from sitting for a longer duration. We'll practice the same from alternate side. Now the left arm will go up towards the sky. Breathe in and bend the elbow, place the left hand on the upper back. The right hand will go at the back and grab one hand with the other hand. Push your chest out slightly and hold for a couple of breaths. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. And now you can straighten your both the feet and practice clock and anti-clockwise rotation of your ankles. Maybe 10 times clockwise and then 10 times anti-clockwise rotation of your ankles and release. Let's practice twisting now. So place your right foot over your left thigh and you can press this right knee with the right hand down towards the floor and release. Press it down again, probably 5 times we'll practice this, and release. Down towards the floor and release. Press it down towards the floor and release. This is a nice stretch for your hips and lower back. Down towards the floor and release. We'll practice 5 times from the alternate side. So the left foot will come over your right thigh and with your left hand you will press the left knee down towards the floor and release. 5 times. 4, 3, and if you want to really hold, because if you're suppose you are loving the stretch, then you can press it down and hold and then come back. Down and up. Down, if you want you can hold and release. And now we are going to practice twisting. So you will remain seated in the same way. Your left foot will remain over the right thigh and with your right hand you will catch the edge of your left knee as we are going to practice twisting. So the alternate hand, which is the left hand, will go at the back of the chair. You can either grab the chair at the back or you can just place it nicely like the way I am keeping it. There is no need to do anything with the alternate hand which is at the back. Your lower back will be up, lifted up, push your chest out nicely, and as you exhale from your nostrils, twist on your left side. Try to look at the wall behind you and hold for a couple of breaths. Feel the twist in your waist. Lovely. We'll practice the same from alternate side. So the right foot will come over your left thigh and the left hand will grab the edge of the right knee. The alternate hand can be at the back of the chair or can be placed like this, the way I am keeping. So it depends on the type of chair you are sitting right now. Make sure that the spine is straight. Lift your lower back up, chest out, and as you breathe out, twist on your right side. Try to look at the wall behind you and feel the deeper twist, stretch in your spine. Great. Come back in the center and we'll practice forward bending now. So what you can do is you can with your hands go down and grab the ankles or your feet. So till wherever you can go, depending upon your flexibility, you can go down and go down further, further, further to the max. And if you can place the hands on the floor, or if you can't, then you can grab your ankles or wherever you can go down. Till that limit you will go down and hold and breathe in as you lift your arms up, release. All right, and now we'll practice some chest stretching. So interlace your fingers at the back, at your lower back. So I will just show you my side position. Interlace your fingers at your lower back, straighten both the elbows, push your chest out and drop your neck back. And release. So as you drop your neck back, your shoulders will be pulled back. So practice the stretching of your shoulders towards the back side and push your chest out. So again we'll practice one more set. Interlace your fingers, elbows straight, push your chest out, shoulders back, drop your neck back. And you can hold as per your capacity, and if you can't, you can come back in the center and release. All right, my friends, so now we are going to stand here at the back of the chair and hold the chair with both the arms. You can go back, back, back and we are going to practice forward bending. So you can stand up and come at the back of your chair and take the position the way I am taking right now. And hold the back of the chair. You can go back and then go down from your lower back. So you have to bend forward and try to bring your head in between your arms. So the more you are back, the better it is for you. You'll feel a better stretch in your hamstrings. So the hamstrings are the muscles which are at the back of your legs. So go down, feel the beautiful stretch in your hamstrings and your shoulders, and keep pressing the chair and try to keep your head in between the arms. Hold there for a few breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come back, and we are going to sit on the chair again to practice stomach breathing. So here we go. You need to close your eyes softly, and as you inhale from both the nostrils, your stomach will be slightly pushed out, and as you exhale, as you breathe out from your nostrils, your stomach, your navel region will be pulled in towards the spine. Stomach out and in. Out as you breathe in as you breathe out. So we have to practice this stomach breathing very slowly without the sound of your breath. So no sound of your breathing while practicing inhale and exhale along with the stomach movement. The stomach will not be completely moving. So upper abdomen is not a part of stomach breathing. You have to try and segregate your navel region. So your navel region, the lower abdomen, will be pulled in and pushed out while practicing stomach breathing. So you can place both the hands in either Jnana Mudra or Anjali Mudra over your thighs and sit comfortably with spine straight. And close your eyes softly, nice and deep. Inhale from nostrils. And as you inhale, push your stomach out. As you exhale, stomach in. Inhale and exhale. Maybe we can practice 5 more times together, and you can continue for 10 times, 15 times, whatever number of breaths you feel like. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly. Keep the speed of breath very slow. One last time, breathe in and breathe out. Now, my friends, there is no need to look at the screen, so keep your eyes closed softly and listen to the instructions carefully. With your eyes closed, focus in your forehead region and observe the silence in your forehead. Relax your neck and shoulders. Relax your chest, stomach, and relax your both the legs. Keep your body absolutely relaxed right now. And whenever you feel like, you can open your eyes softly. Alright, my yogi friends, thanks for watching my video and being there with me. If you like to practice with me, you can always subscribe to my channel and keep checking out the playlist of my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.